Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Pierre, the founder of OceanFact. So today we are gonna go through the steps of preparing an Instagram blog post. So I already chose the topic. We are gonna talk about the birded seal and how it escapes its predator. Let's import one template. So I'm gonna start with a template called data table. It's a template that I use to gather pieces of information about the blog post itself and what I need. So I already copied the title or made a title. It's gonna go inside EverNote, inside this notebook, and we are gonna need tags to classify this note inside our system. So it's about the birded seal. It's going to be published in year 2020. I use an identifier so that it doesn't mess around with other notes. It's going to be the Arctic. Can actually copy this. The Barents Sea. Scientific field is going to be marine biology. Ecology. We are gonna talk about the birded seal. It's a seal. It's a marine mammal, and we're gonna give some keywords. We talk about trophic interactions, so food webs, trophic interactions, and predator prey. So I can copy this text, separate it by comma, and paste it in the tag area. And it will tell EverNote that each keyword is separated by a comma, and each words or each section separated by a comma is a different tag. Okay, we are done. We are gonna use information from a blog post. So it's a blog post that is contained in the category Science Corner. On our website, we are going to need the URL to the blog post. Okay, we have the URL. We are going to gather information and a picture. Let's gather the fact. Where is the section? OceanFact here. The fact is going to be this. So who are the main predators of the birded seal and how it escapes. Done. We have a fact. We are going to need a title. So the title is going to be do you know how the birded seal escapes from its predators. Boom. I use a specific format to bring more contrast between the different sections of the Instagram post, and I use a tool. It's inside the tool section. It's called InstaFont to give it a nice look. So we are gonna go to InstaFont. Already opened the window. When you reach InstaFont for the first time, you simply copy, paste the title or whatever text on the left, and then it will format to the font that you prepared beforehand. So for each letter, I gave it a specific look. You can select different looks, and you can save your font. So I have this OceanFact Instagram bold font. Then I copy this, paste it in here, and I use an emoji for the question mark to highlight that is the title. We have the fact. We need a call for action. So a call for action is simply something that tells people that they can comment. So usually it's a good practice is a question. Do you know where the birded seal got its name? got its name. Boom, call for action. It's a blog post and we want people to go to the website to read more, or if they want, they can read more. So we are gonna tell them, change the placeholder section to what it is. This was also formatted with Insta font. Here you go, have a good reading. We need hashtags. I use a bunch of generic hashtags and we are gonna add more to make it more accurate. So bird is seal. And if I want something specific to the Arctic, I can search for related hashtags using displaypurposes.com. All the tools will be in the template. So I type in Arctic and then it will show me, usually when someone tags Arctic, it will tag Svalbard with it. So let's add Svalbard and we are gonna add Northern Norway. So we have our list of hashtags. Now tags. Tags are a way to tell specific accounts that they should check your post. So either you just paste their name in the caption or you tag them on pictures. There is no easy way to copy paste a name from an account inside the add tags area. So what I use auto text. So this is a shortcut. If I type in tag or F1, I can show you. It will replace automatically by the name associated to this shortcut. You can use it everywhere on your phone, on your computer. It's very powerful. And I use it the same way for separators for the formatting, to insert a line break, invisible line break, etc. Now we're gonna need a picture. So I already selected a picture and we're gonna download it using gramsave.com. I selected this photographer and this picture. So I'm gonna copy the link to the picture, not to the account. Go to Gramsave, paste the link, click on download. It will download the picture. You can also download other tools from Instagram. So I'm gonna download the picture. I already did it. And we are gonna gather pieces of information about this photographer. So we are gonna need the link just to make sure we are able to source the information. Where is it? Picture, URL, and we need information about the photographer, which account. So if you go to the account page, you can simply from the URL grab the account name. I'm gonna add it in here and we are good to go. So from here, I'm gonna open a new template, a new note with a different template, the Instagram post template. So from the data table, we are gonna paste the information inside the post template. I'm gonna open this note, put it on the right side, open the other note, so that's the right one from the data table, and paste it on the left. Okay, I want my untitled note. It doesn't have a title. Let's make it different here. Data table, take the title. So this data table is going to be deleted at the end, and we are going to keep the post note. And we simply copy paste from one node to the other. So actually this is going to be deleted. It's just if you need extra information and instructions. Okay, I replace by this. Those are the tags. I'm going to add them in the tag area. I go to the next section. This is gonna be published on the 14th of January 2020. It's not a repost. We're gonna need the picture, so I'm gonna drag and drop the picture inside the note. Drag and drop. I have the picture. Let's go back. I need the URL to the picture. Replace the placeholder URL by the link. We need the credits. Replace by hashtag the name. We have this. It's a featured blog from section Science Corner. We don't need to input it here, but we need the link to the blog post. Okay, gonna replace this. The OceanFact. Usually this section I fill it in with facts, the fact that comes from the article itself, not the fact from that will be necessarily in the post. But anyway, here it's going to be the same. So now we come to the template itself, the post itself. So I'm going to take the title, replace that line with the title, formatted title, take the fact, replace the placeholder. We have the fact. We prepared call for action, so simply grab the row of the table, paste it here, and this call for actions to let people know that they can read more. Okay. We are gonna credit the photographer. So credits, replace. Okay. We need the hashtags. So I'm gonna select this, replace the placeholder, and tags. I already inserted tags, so we can simply remove this. And voila, the post is ready. It's formatted. Then you can replace or remove the last letter and then hold enter and it will change. I avoid doing it in EverNote, but I do it in Instagram directly. We're done. Now we will see how to format everything and schedule.